Just when you thought losing hip and thigh fat was impossible without doing strenuous exercises, I bring to you 2 simple moves which you can do in the comfort of your own home. And they are so easy, you would love to do it every single day. But you will achieve 100% guaranteed results with simple beginner-friendly moves which you will love. I am dietitian Natasha Mohan, and I have helped thousands of people transform themselves, lose weight, achieve amazing inch loss with these simple and easy moves which I bring to you. These are game changers to help you reduce your hip fat and thigh fat. Before we move forward, do let me know in the comment section below how many inches you want to lose from your hips and thighs. Give me a number below in the comments because I'm gonna help you achieve it. So as you can see, for the exercise today, I have my favorite chair with me, and so do you need one. I'm sure you have a chair at home. Let's loosen up a little so we can do these exercises absolutely properly. For that, the first loosen up move is just this. High knees with the help of a chair. And no jumping, no equipment needed. The chair is not an equipment, it's something that is laying around in your house. So now, no more excuses. Well done! So for all those who have trouble with their knees and yet want to achieve slim and trim thighs and also lose weight around the hip area, I've got a chair and I'm going to show you the first simple move, for which we are going to spread our legs slightly wider than the chair and our shoulder width apart. You have to keep your torso straight, your core muscles should be tucked in tight, and we are going to do a simple squat. Now we're going to hold it when we go down. Hold it to the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do it without holding it. There you can feel the burn already in your thighs, your hip area. Well done! So I really enjoyed showing you the first move. Now let me show you the second move. Your distance from the chair is going to be one shoulder width apart, like this. And the same thing we have to do when we go down, but here we have to take our knees inwards, like this. Keep holding on to the chair. Now come up. Now it depends how many times you can do it when you go down in the squatting position. Let's start with 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now we're going to do it 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now let's continue it with 3 times. Well done! If you can feel the burn too, let me know in the comments section and show me an emoji of fire. It's burning! Did you know that hip and thigh fat is most commonly a problem area for women than men because they have hormonal imbalances? Well, we can't completely blame it on the hormonal imbalances, but sometimes there could be other reasons. So you let me know in the comment section, what is your reason? Is it your sedentary lifestyle, your lifestyle habits, wrong eating habits, eating too much processed food, or is it just because lack of exercise? Do let me know in the comment section below and I will be happy to help you, because I bring to you every time simple and easy, quick and easy, effective exercises to lose your belly fat, thigh fat, hip fat, any fat you name it, and I have an exercise for you to get back in shape. So you have to first of all like the video to my effort, subscribe to the channel, and you also have to hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you end up seeing it first. Besides that, if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program and you want value for money with phenomenal results and returns, you want to transform yourself, look good for a party coming up, and you want to maintain the weight and not put it all back on again, then this is the program to join. So you just have to click on the link given below, and to join my weight loss program, you achieve not just a transformation, but also you get company from a doctor, dietitian, a health counselor, all under my supervision and guidance. I'm here to guide you, so you don't have to worry. We will keep in mind all your likes, dislikes, preferences, your daily routine, your work schedule, everything will be taken care of. You needn't worry about everything. In fact, workout tutorials and video tutorials of all the recipes will also be given to you that will be included in your meal plan. So just click on the link given below in the description and you can join my weight loss program. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, ciao.